Hello, today I'm in Land Rover Discovery. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, let's accelerate to desired speed. Now, to activate cruise control, simply press this button on the steering wheel. Then press set button right here. Now you can increase the speed by pressing set plus button, decrease it by pressing minus button, reset it or cancel by pressing these two buttons. To deactivate cruise control, press and hold this button. That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.